Hello!
We want to know about the Mega Challenge episode, the integration with Serene. The concept, Palki, you can start off.
First of all, it was not. It was not our concept. It was the concept of the channel.
बहुत अच्छा माइक है मैंने बोला पे
The concept was Channel V's concept, and they wanted to do a merger.
अच्छा
So they wanted to do a merger. So that's what happened, and we were asked to integrate somehow. So we integrated. That's how it was.
Sorry.
You want me to say it again?
No.
So basically it was not our concept, it was Channel V's concept. They wanted to do like a crossover, and they thought that was challenging, so which is why they call it a mega challenge. Yeah, so it's called the mega challenge, right?
Yeah,
So,
Yeah.
So it was challenging to shoot.
Yeah.
So and we shot. I think it's nice. It's nice, and I think it's going on air right now.
Oh my god.
Huh?
No, yeah. Script is nice. की बात कर रही
I mean, episode is nice or what? Thanks to Anirudh. The episode is nice. Thanks to these guys, the episode is nice. Thanks to Suvi.
चलो we got our credit. Yeah.
Now, besides the challenge in the show, which is of course that they have a show to do and your designers run away or missing and the costumes are missing, what challenges did you face while making the show as you talked about the challenges otherwise?
Am I supposed to talk about it?
If you want to.
Yeah, I said I'm very politically incorrect. Yeah?
Don't worry, all of us are. We say it like we see it, so go ahead.
No, the challenge was, see, honestly, I don't shoot. These guys shoot more than me.
Right.
Then manually, right there. So, though, I think.
See, tell us how it was to adjust dates with Smriti.
No, precisely, my was coming to that. Dates was an issue, and a very big issue. Very big issue.
Very big issue.
Very big.
So what all did you do to adjust that? I know because there were shoots going there and then she was running here and you were waiting for her and they were waiting for her there and stuff like that.
No, luckily we didn't wait for her here.
Lovely.
We got our dates. We wanted many dates, but we couldn't get those many dates. We got the exact half of those dates. So the challenge, actually Ani faced the most amount of challenge because he had to finish so much amount of work in those little hours that he got. And along with him, I think the actors were very supportive in terms of, they didn't give so many takes where, you know, we were like, "Arey, wow, fantastic, yeah, DC, Rocky."
Thank you.
They are the people who actually managed the 7 o'clock telecast today, not us. Ani, talk about
So Anirudh, please tell us, how did you manage? Close cutting alag se kiya, mastered alag se kiya, how was it?
No, actually, we did not do that at all. If you see the episode, or if anybody gets to see the episode, which is on air right now, what we were trying to achieve was because we had lesser number of days to shoot with her, and we had too many scenes of her separately and a couple of scenes with these guys. So we did not want it to look like, you know, she's been cheated or shot separately, which we were strictly against. So what we tried doing was to fit in as many scenes in a day. We were doing split units, lighting up earlier for next scenes. Plus these guys were also, as she said, these guys were also ready with the script at all the times. So whenever we were doing the scenes, पूरा scene खत्म हो जाता था. So we did not have to actually cheat her or, you know, make her stand separately and shoot with her. Yeah, थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे time हो जाता है because we were shooting night, exterior and all that. But that ultimately got managed and we just, it happened. So everything was good, yes, of course.
Yeah, ultimately it does happen.
Yeah, it does happen when you put in that amount of effort. Everybody from production to, you know, the actors, everybody puts that amount of effort, lighting and all, camera person. So it just happened, and we could finish our work in time, and we could finish the episode in time, which was a much larger task to do because we had much more scenes apart from Sovereign also. So a 40-minute episode we did manage to shoot in a stipulated time.
Right. How was the experience directing Smriti in terms of, you know, you have people that you know from last 2 years, you know exactly what nuances or what expression they're going to come up with. I remember us talking about you doing more of one shots because of what you think they can deliver to you. How was it working with Smriti?
It was actually it was very nice. I mean, because we have been working for so long, and I know and have seen these guys from being non-actors to being actors today. So I did not know. I don't know her. I haven't seen much of her work in any way. But when she came on the sets, it was a very professional actor-director relationship where she probably knew if I was saying कि इसको थोड़ा सा ऐसा करते हैं, she probably knew what was required. And most of the time she was, to the T, what the scene required. A little bit energy here and there, which according to me I was not getting. I just told her that, and she was fantastic with the job.
Yeah, I mean, especially with these guys, the energy that.
Yeah, that
so
is
at the start of it.
Yeah, that is what the problem is, because the scenes that these guys do has a different energy altogether. So for her to come in and suddenly realize that 12 people are screaming at the top of their voices and nobody can be heard was probably I don't know what kind of a shock. But
Let's give a demo.
No, but I would like to say something. 12 people screaming and shouting and creating an energy, I would not take her energy away, because she individually was very much there in the scene. Her energy was मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा ऐसा था कि hey, solo ये भी ऐसा कर सकती है, which was very very nice, and that's commendable, I think.
To hold her place in between these guys, I think it is commendable.
And also because we've also done Valentine's specials, so yeah, so they kind of know her and she knows them, so yeah.
That comfort level was already there. So at least you knew each other. Great. Now tell, how did you feel working with Smriti, with a new character coming in and integrating in the story, and how did it feel with you guys? I already know what Ray and Swayam. I was wondering whether they're Shantanu or Swayam.
She knows my name, that's it.
So between them, I was wondering how did you all feel, Alicia?
I think we should ask this question first with, Sharon should say, because she did maximum amount of scenes, and I was extremely scared because she is so new to the job, and Smriti is kind of a professional, so I was like, hey, kar payegi, nahi kar payegi, but anyway, she did a good job, but we can talk about it.
Kaisa laga?
Smriti was very helpful, and if I had made a mistake, she's like, okay, continue. So she used to support a lot.
Right.
So that was very nice of her. And
बोल दे सारा.
first also we had met on Valentine's Day, so we know each other. Okay, promos में भी अभी बीच में promo हुआ था, so that time also we met. So she's a very good person also. I mean, ज़्यादा ऐसे कोई लोग होते हैं ना जो सबसे बात नहीं करते, but she talks to everybody, makeup दादा, hair दीदी, everybody she talks very nicely, and she's really good.
Right? And anyone else?
It was fun.
Yeah.
But actually, the best part about her was her energy. Yeah. That she was equal, not equal, but yeah, she was there. Like 12 people in front of her, she was there. And she was in her character. That was the best part, which I liked.
So you learned something on that.
Yeah, her energy was like awesome. Something
What
to
did you
learn.
teach her? What did you teach her? Any dance steps you taught her? Anything?
She actually couldn't see her dance. Yeah, she-
Off the camera, did you get to interact in terms of showing her some dance steps?
We didn't have the time.
We don't show up, yeah,
Shooting all the time.
we don't show up.
You don't show up. You should. You're good.
No, actually, I think she was very excited to
See the
dance.
Yeah, she couldn't see.
See the dance, but then she couldn't because we were shooting it on a separate day, on a different day, and she had already stopped. Finished her part of whatever script. Yeah. So she was really excited to see it, and she wanted to be there to watch it, but she couldn't.
Maybe
It was
next time.
fun.
Go ahead.
7 p.m. channel, so she can watch it again.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Maybe next time we can have Nehal and Vanshika work out somewhere. You guys come on to the Serene set or something.
Yeah. I swear we won't have date problems.
Yeah. You want to date problem.
We will not have date problems. And we'll figure something out.
Great. Lovely talking with you all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It was fun. It was fun, right?
मेगा चैलेंज बोल दो यार
हाँ?
मेगा चैलेंज बोल दो एक साथ यार
क्या बोले?
मेगा चैलेंज
Mission accomplished.
Roger that.
Mission accomplished.
Thank you.